Okay. Hello everyone. We'll start our Indian geography session. Since Indian geography has a very vital portions of your knowing the conceptual and the factual part of the questions making that comes in the prelims. So let us know which are the areas that are important for our discussions, and many things we have to say before start. I'll say one thing, that we have to see the trend, how the things will have to be, which part we have to take care. I mean the procedures part particularly. Let's start now. First question is that where is the Loktak lake situated? Kerala, Uttaranchal, Manipur and Rajasthan. It is C, Manipur. Loktak lake is in Manipur. Next, which of the following water bodies separates the Andaman from the Nicobar Island? Water body that separate Andaman from the Nicobar Island. 11-degree channel, Gulf of Mannar, 10-degree channel and Andaman Sea. It is your C, that is 10-degree channel. Degree channel. Okay, we'll see then. As I said, after every subsequent question, we will discuss the answer. Loktak Lake, Loktak Lake is the largest freshwater lake or sweet lake in the northeast India, and also called the only floating lake in the world due to floating foam days. Due to floating foam days, it is known as the largest freshwater lake. Okay, largest freshwater lake on it is located in the Moirang and Manipur state in India. The etymology of lok means stream, and tak means the end. Lok, tak, stream and the end. The Kebu Lamjau National Park, which is the last natural refuge of the endangered Sangai, last natural, that is endangered Sangai, or Manipur Bro antlered deer, one of the subspecies of Elds deers, covering an area of 40 square kilometer, near about an area of 40 kilometer square. Is situated in the southeastern source of the lake and is the largest of all the Pumdis lake in the lake. So Manipur. If I draw this one here, Manipur, this is Manipur, this is the Loktak Lake here, and Kebu Lamjau in the natural refuge of the endangered Sangai or Manipur Bro antlered. Loktak Lake जो देखियो एठी भी तमरा गोटे barking deer जोटा हम कहले barking deer अछि, and Loktak Lake formed is माने thick of vegetation, heterogeneous vegetation, soil and organic matter. तीनटा जिनस मिसी की formed is lake हेता है. One is your that is your mass of vegetation, then soil and organic matter. Mass of vegetation, soil and organic matter. Etymology lok mane stream, tak mane the end. because the 10-degree channel is a channel that separate the Little Andaman and the Car Nicobar. The Little Andaman and the Car Nicobar in the Bay of Bengal. Little Andaman और Car Nicobar. This is North Andaman, this is Middle, this is South Andaman, this is your North Andaman, Middle Andaman, South Andaman, and this is Little Andaman. 8 halatoro 10-degree channel. The two sets of islands together from the island territory, the Andaman Nicobar Islands. This channel is 150 km wide. When the western trade winds use the Arabian Sea, they cross the channel in the 15th century. It is mainly Andaman and Nicobar. I'm sorry, this is your Duncan Passage. I'm just making a small correction, sorry. This is Andaman's group, and this is 10-degree channel where it is Nicobar group of islands. This is great. This is your Great Nicobar. Great Nicobar ಎಲ್ಲ ತೋಳೆ ಅಂಡಮಾನ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ತಮ್ಮ देखियो Great Nicobar. This is Great Nicobar, and this is your Car Nicobar. Great Nicobar and Car Nicobar. Next question, which of the following rivers has the largest river basin in India? The largest river basin in India, the Indus, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra and the Krishna. Largest river basin, it is the Brahmaputra. Sorry, it is a river basin in India. So it is Jalbajri dekho, it is the Ganga. River basin is the Ganga. Which among the following state or UT is located in the Banihal Pass? Is located at the Banihal Pass. Okay? Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal, Uttarakhand and Sikkim. Located at the Banihal Pass. Located at the Banihal Pass. Banihal Pass देखिए located at the Banihal Pass. Banihal Pass देखिए it is your Jammu and Kashmir. A. The Ganga River Basin is the largest one in India. The Ganga originates from Gangotri situated in the glaciers of Bhagirathi. The Ganga Basin is a part of Ganges and Brahmaputra basins. The Ganga Basin is a part of Ganges or Brahmaputra basin during basin draining 10 lakh 86,000 square kilometer. 10 lakh 86,000 square kilometer in Tibet, Nepal, India and Bangladesh. Tibet, Nepal, India and Bangladesh. To north, the Himalaya or the lower parallel ranges beyond the form the Ganges-Brahmaputra divide. On the west, the Ganges basins border the Indus basin and then the Aravalli Rees. Banihal Pass is a mountain pass across the Pir Panjal range at 2832 meter. Across the Pir Panjal, Banihal Pass it is a mountain pass across the Pir Panjal range. across the Pir Panjal range. This mountain range connects the Kashmir Valley in the Indian UT of Jammu and Kashmir to the outer Himalayas to the plain. Baniyan Plus Pir Panjal range. This mountain range connects the Kashmir Valley in the Indian UT of Jammu and Kashmir to the outer Himalaya and the plains of south. Who among the following was the first person to scale Mount Everest without supplement of oxygen? Terence Barron, Danan Chazal, Reinhold Messner, and Jean Toilet. It is answer is your C. Reinhold Messner. Next, which of the following states Chambal River does not flow? Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Gujarat. Chambal River does not flow. It is your Gujarat. Reinhold Messner को विषय जब हम कहबा, he is the first person to scale Mount Everest without supplemental oxygen, among with Peter Haber in 1978. Peter Haber को संग से जाइतले Reinhold Messner. Peter Haber 1978 He is also first climber to ascend all 14 peaks over 8,000 meters. All 14 peaks over 8,000 meters, 6,000 feet. Including Mount Everest. Reinhold Messner German. German. Next, the Chambal River is a tributary of the Yamuna River. The river flows northern through Madhya Pradesh. Northern through Chambal, Madhya Pradesh. Then running for a time, Madhya Pradesh, running through a time through Rajasthan, and then from boundary between Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Before turning to southeast to join Yamuna in Uttar Pradesh state. That means UP, Bihar, UP, and Rajasthan. Madhya Pradesh is their parent. Then apart from that one, it enters to Maharashtra, Rajasthan, then Uttar Pradesh. Okay, and finally, it was just in Uttar Pradesh, और मध्य प्रदेश बाहर की राजस्थान है. तो आंसर इज गुजरात से पश्चिम. Sirhind Canal is located on which river? Sirhind Canal is located on which river? Satluj, Ravi, Bees, and not these. Sirhind Canal, Sirhind Canal is located in Satluj River. The Chamera Dam is located in which state? That is in the Himachal Pradesh. Chamera Dam is in Himachal Pradesh. Sirhind Canal, Sirhind Canal is a large irrigation canal that carries out water from the Satluj River in the Punjab state. It is one of the oldest and biggest irrigation works in the Indus River system and was inaugurated in 1882. Inaugurated. The canal begins at a Ropa headworks in Ropa city in Roopnagar district of Punjab. Roopnagar that is in the Punjab. Satluj River state is one of the oldest and biggest irrigation networks in the Indus River. Before independence, it's about more than 70 years. of before independence. We can approximate, we can say that one. Next, Himachal Pradesh jodi mu kahibi, Chamera Dam is a dam is located near the town Dalhousie. Dalhousie jodi tame dekhibo map re, Dalhousie pakhare in the Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh. It impounds the Ravi River and supports the hydroelectric project in the region. Ravi River help hoche hydroelectric project region re help generate kare is hoche. The reservoir of the dam is Chamera Lake. That is Chamera Lake. The unique features of this region is fluctuating day and night temperature. Unique features of the region is the fluctuating day and night temperature. The temperature during the day near the dam is rises up to 35 degrees Celsius, but drops to 18 to 20 degrees at night. Water level in the Chamera Lake is rise up to 763 meter, and while minimum 747. Next question. Which of the following river is known as Padma when it enters Ganga? When it enters Bangladesh? Brahmaputra, Ganga, Tista, Mahanadi. It is Ganga. B for Bombay. When the foreign countries have world 25% thorium reserves, India, China, US, Russia. It is answer is A, India. Padma or Podda, Bengali re Padma Khanti, Padma Podda is a major river in Bangladesh and India. Bangladesh and the India in the downstream of Garia. It is the main distributor of Ganga. Main distributor of Ganga is following generally east southeast. 120 kilometers. Flowing nearly southeast for the 120 kilometers to its confluence with Meghna River near the Bengal city of Rajasthan, near the bank of the river. India had modest uranium reserves, where it has done one of the largest thorium reserves of modern. Thorium, despite greater abundance in the nature and a number of superior characteristics, the fertile thorium there as follows. Compound has the capacity to convert into the uranium-233 for the first use in nuclear reactors. Okay, then study करिए. कोई जगह मिलूँ झारखंड, ओडिशा, आंध्र प्रदेश, तमिलनाडु, केरला. झारखंड, ओडिशा. यदि मैं इटी बनाऊँची, it will be more clear. This is your probably Jharkhand, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh. Okay. IAS Research Forest Institute is located Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, and Kerala. IAS Research Institute is located. It is Rajasthan. A. Bring out the incorrectly matched pair. Bilateral project, Maharashtra. Salal project, Jammu and Kashmir. Tanpura, Uttar Pradesh. Ukra. Koil Karo, Bihar. Incorrectly matched kiye everything. This is correct. Bilateral, Himachal correct. Salal project, Jammu correct. Tankur project, Uttar Pradesh correct. It is Kyor Karo project. It is Okay, Kevalkara project is Odisha. Koilkar project हम खाली कह दूँ Koilkar project हम देखो Koilkar project in India is South Koil river runs across the Jharkhand and Odisha state. It originates on the Ranchi Plateau a few miles east of Ranchi and co-joins the Banshinagar Singhum rivers. The Koil is fed by three streams in Jharkhand, namely okay, North Karo, South Karo, South Koil enters the Odisha. The South Koil enters the Odisha and joins with the Sunk River at the Vedabas near Auckland. It is just like this. Koil Karo, this is your Sunk River. This particular place is here Raurkela. Okay. ये जो पार्ट है इटा राउटर with the vase. And it has देखियो इटा particular जगह तुम्हारा Pampos area with the vase. जोधपुर जो देखियो जोधपुर राजस्थान वाला सब एरिड एरिया जदि इंडिया जदि पॉकेट नबो जोधपुर हॉटेस्ट प्लेस रोटे जोधपुर भी ता ना आसीबो हैला this research organization हैला steadily mainly the phenomena of weather India हैला western India and particularly western India and as a country as a whole. The water comes to Indira Gandhi Canal from following rivers: Satluj only, Satluj Beach, Ravi. Water flow Indira Gandhi Canal of the following rivers. This is your Satluj of Buli. Which of the following state India has the highest production of large cardamom? Sikkim, small cardamom. Large cardamom Sikkim, Assam, Gujarat, or Kerala. I will answer about number A. Sikkim. Okay. Large cardamom is cultivated in the sub-Himalayan region of northeast India, Nepal and Bhutan. It is grown in the cold humid condition under which shade of trees, on which shade of trees 8 to 200 feet above the MSR. The average precipitation is 300 to 500 meter spread over 20,000 a day. Okay, interval temperature is 63 degree. Cardamom देखियो cardamom basically moist, humid. Moist और humid रे cardamom भले हो जे सेतरे भी grows cold humid condition, moist humid और cold humid condition है ना सेटे. Next, in which of the following northeast states Kapoli hydropower project? Which of the following northeast Kapoli hydroelectric project located? Arunachal Pradesh, Kopili, Arunachal, Assam, Tripura. It is your Assam. Which one of the following is a typical monsoon vegetation in India? Tropical evergreen, tropical deciduous, tropical thorn, tropical subtropical. Okay. Typical monsoon vegetation is your typical monsoon vegetation in India. Tropical evergreen forest. This is, if you say, it is tropical deciduous forest mainly. Right? Tropical. Deep. The Kapali River, name as is the your Kapila, is an interstate river in the northeast India, flows through the states of Meghalaya and Assam, and is the largest south bank tributary of the Brahmaputra in Assam. Basically, it is the south bank tributary of the Putra in Assam. Kapali originates in the Meghalaya plateau and flows through central Assam and the hill district of Assam before the confluence with the Brahmaputra. It drains in the Kuti in the district of Karbi Anglong, Dima Hasao, Kamrup, and Nagaon. Kuti, it is in the Karbi Anglong, Dima Hasao, Kamrup, and Nagaon. Total length is 290 kilometers. Particularly, total length is your 290 kilometers. And has a catchment area of 16,420 square kilometers. It is noted several spectacular waterfalls along its course, which have several deep gorges and rapids. Kapali River, जो देखियो, the sage Kapila जो sage थे, he was ancient. States of Meghalaya, Assam. It is the largest south bank tributary of Brahmaputra, Assam. Brahmaputra in Assam, south bank tributary, largest. Kopili. Khopoli gote achi, that is power plant. Khopoli in, that is in Maharashtra. Khopoli. It have a tropical deciduous, basically. Tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forest are basically possess monsoon vegetation. Diagram color to be more clear. This part patches, this is this part. This is your tropical deciduous forest. Here the largest brackish water lagoon in Asia is located in which of the following state? Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Odisha. Brackish water lagoon. It is Odisha. That is none other than, that is our Chilka Lake, largest brackish water lagoon. We'll discuss answer kariyo. Then Consider the following: clover, sugarcane, and alfalfa. Which among the following were plantation crops? Plantation crops की 1 and 2, 2 and 3, only 2, 1, 2, 3. Clover, sugarcane, alfalfa. ଯଦି ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା ଆ ଭିତରୁ your plantation crops, then all are correct. D is the correct answer. ଦେଖିବା I'm sorry, एठी तमरो D हबनी, एठी हबो C, sugar cane only. I thought माने mistakenly हैला. Odisha में देखिए the brackish-water lagoon Chilka Lake is in Odisha, is the largest coastal lagoon in India, which is the home to the number of threatened species of plants and animals. Chilka is the largest lagoon in the Asia and is the largest wintering ground for the migratory birds. Also supports unique lifetime of marine brackish and freshwater species. Marine brackish and freshwater species. Chilka Lake is the largest lagoon in the Asia particularly. Marine brackish and the freshwater lake basically. Plantation is a large form of estate, usually in a tropical and subtropical country. Basically in a tropical and subtropical country where the crops are not consumed for the food but are grown for sale in distant markets basically, other than for the local consumption. Basically they are consumed for food, are grown for sale in the distant market and rather than for local consumption basically. Such crops include cotton, coffee, tobacco, sugarcane, sesame, right? And various oil seeds and rubber trees. Farms that produce alfalfa, lepidza, clover, and other forage crops are usually not not called plantation. The term plantation has usually not included large orchards but has included the planting of trees for lumber. A plantation is always a monoculture over a large area and does not include extensive naturally occurring stands of lands that have economic value. Okay. Plantation crops, जदि हम देखिबा एठी हम पढ़ले large farm or estate, basically large farm or estate in a tropical or subtropical country basically माने tropics की subtropical country रे माने mainly होंगे and where crops that are not consumed for food basically कौन भी crops they are not consumed for your food, they are basically grown for sale in distant market particularly plantation crops माने in a distant market it means that they are they are grown for profit only. Yeah, they're going for profit only. Cotton, coffee, tobacco, sugarcane, sisal, and various forms of oilseeds basically. Farms that produce alfalfa, legumes, clover, and other forest crops are usually not called plantations. The term plantation has usually not include large orchards, but has include the planting of trees for eh, lumber. Plantation basically monoculture over a large area doesn't include extensive naturally occurring stands of plants that have economic value. Next, देखिए India is providing assistance to which among the following neighbors for strengthening and extension of embankments of Lalbeka, Bagmati, Lalbakeya, Bagmati and Kamla. देखिए लालबकिया बागमती में कहाँ को देती असिस्टेंस is Bangladesh, Nepal, Pakistan and Myanmar. Who never go? It is your B for Bombay, that is Nepal. Which among the following spreads from Sasaram and Rohtas in western Bihar to Chittorgarh in Rajasthan? Sasaram and Rohtas in western Bihar to Chittorgarh in Rajasthan. It is Aravalli system, Vindhya, Dharawad and Kadapa. Sasaram and Rohtas in western Bihar to Chittorgarh in Rajasthan. That is your nothing but your Vindhya system. It is your Vindhya system. Vindhya system that is Sasaram Rohtas in western Bihar to Chittorgarh in Rajasthan. B for Bombay. Nepal, Lalbakeya, Bagmati and Kamla rivers, India shares the Nepal border. Particularly India government Gangara, there are the tributaries of Ganga. That is the tributaries of Ganga. Each river got a bordering. गंगार ट्रिब्यूटरी जो अच्छन सब बहुत गुटे भी ठीक है गंगार ट्रिब्यूटरी these are the tributaries मन के लालबकिया बागमती और कमला जो नेपाल सन बॉर्डर तब it is small streams lalbakia these are the states these are the specific areas locations where these rivers that is particularly government of India GOI and with the versus your government of Nepal. There is a mutual MOU to set of HEP hydroelectric power project to both the countries they run particularly. Vindhya system stretches from Sasaram and Rohtas. Sasaram and Rohtas in the western Bihar to the Chittorgarh in Rajasthan. The rocks came into existence after the Kadapa rocks per rock existence. These sedimentary rocks which are built from sandstone, shale and limestone. Sandstone, shale and limestones. They are the sandstone, shale and the limestones particularly. नेक्स्ट देखिए, consider the following UMPP projects and their respective states: तलैया उड़ीसा, ससान मध्य प्रदेश, बेड़ाबहाल झारखंड. तलैया उड़ीसा, ससान मध्य प्रदेश, बेड़ाबहाल इन झारखंड. Pick project and the respective, which are the correctly matched. Talaya is not in Odisha. Sasan Madhya Pradesh is correct. Bedabahal in Jharkhand, this is also wrong. देखिए अभी तो आंसर है, that is 2. B for Bombay. Ultra Mega Power project has very large size project, approximately 4,000 megawatt each capacity. Talaya Ultra Mega Power project, that is UMPP in Jharkhand, was recently in news, and it was abandoned by original owner Reliance Power, and is likely to be auctioned afresh. Bedabahal UMPP is located near Sundargarh district of Odisha. Bedabahal जो तुम कहोगी Bedabahal, है ना? Bedabahal Ultra Mega Power project is located near the Sundargarh district of Odisha. Talaya Ultra Mega Power project, right? In Jharkhand. Basically, Talaya Ultra Mega Power project is in Jharkhand. Next, which region in India is known as the Rice Bowl of India? Rice Bowl of India के Indo-Gangetic Plain, Krishna Godavari Delta region, Northeast region, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Indo-Gangetic Plain, Krishna Godavari Delta region, Northeast region, and Kerala and Tamil Nadu region. You see, Rice Bowl of India. It is basically Rice Bowl of India. It is your India. It is your Krishna Indo-Gangetic Plain. No, যদি Indo-Gangetic দেওছি তাহলে আমি we can say it is a Krishna Godavari Delta region. Krishna Godavari Delta region কাহিଁକି এই যে ମୁଁ सर्टिफाई कली जदि এই জিনিস দুইটা ভিতରୁ आंसर हम ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତେ Krishna Godavari চুজ करू. Indo-Gangetic Plain जदि हैला এইটা নথান্তা, Krishna Godavari Delta region নথান্তা, then we could have choose this one Indo-Gangetic Plain. देखियो Duncan Passage is situated in between Minicoy and Aminibdi Island. Minicoy, Maldives, Little Andaman, Car Nicobar, South Andaman and Little Nicobar. Duncan Passage is basically situated in between your South Andaman and Little Andaman. South Andaman or Little Andaman. Answer देखिए Krishna Godavari Delta जदि मैं कहबी in India, Andhra Pradesh and India, Andhra Pradesh and Krishna Godavari Delta region is called Rice Bowl of India. The Rice Bowl of India is the state of Andhra Pradesh. It has historically held the distinction, and within Andhra Pradesh it is East Godavari district that can be called Rice Bowl of Andhra. East Godavari, that is Rice Bowl of Andhra. South Andaman or Little Andaman. Duncan Passage is the strait in the Indian Ocean. It is about 48 km wide. It separates the Rutland Island, part of Great Andaman, to the north, and the Little Andaman to the south. The Duncan Passage is west of Duncan Passage is the Bay of Bengal. जब देखिए ये गोटे आइडिया बनौची This is South Andaman, and this is Little Andaman. This is Middle Andaman, and this is North Andaman. This is your Duncan Passage. It separates Rutland Island to the north and the Little Andaman to the south. West of Duncan Passage, Duncan Passage ro west re, this is Bay of Bengal, and east is your Andaman Sea. Several small islands, islets along the passage, basically. Which are the following geographical terms? Which are the following geographical terms related with a natural formed narrow, typically navigable waterway that connects two larger bodies of water? That connects two larger bodies of water. Peninsula, Gulf, Strait, and island. That is your strait. Which of the following is suitable definition of archipelago? A circular coral reef that encloses shallow lagoon, a chain or set of islands grouped together, a plant and animal life on the earth, none of the above. Archipelago key definition: a chain or set of islands together. B for Bombay. Strait, a narrow passage of water connecting two larger bodies of water. Narrow waterway joining two larger bodies. The Strait of Gibraltar are the best example that connects the Mediterranean Sea with the Atlantic Ocean. That Gibraltar may be Strait Gibraltar जदि बनौछि, this is suppose this is your Europe, and this is your part of your body, this is your Africa. ये जो part था, this is your Gibraltar that connects Mediterranean Sea to the Atlantic Ocean. यदि ये part देखिए, this is your Mediterranean Sea and this is your Atlantic Ocean. A narrow strip of sea that links two larger areas of sea. Archipelago जदि कहबा, archipelago sometimes called island or group of island chain. Each chain cluster or collection of islands, sometimes sea connecting a small number of scattered islands. Indian archipelago, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Japanese archipelago, जो कहा कोई जाए, Indonesian archipelago particularly, मागुरु भी कहते archipelago बने islands or island chain or cluster of islands particularly. ठीक है, cluster of islands जोटा कि कहा जाए archipelago. And Andaman Nicobar Islands, Japanese archipelago and Philippines archipelago. है Japanese और Philippines archipelago भी. Philippines, Japanese archipelago basically we know that one 4 islands. है that is your Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku, Kyushu. These are the 4 major islands. Plus there are also small islands. That's around the Japan also. देखिए दिस इज कैडा हंसु शिक्षक क्यूसु ना क्यूसु एटी हिरोशिमा नागासाकी ऊपर जो बॉम्ब हिटला दैट इज हियर इट इज नियर बाय दिस इज ହେଲା क्यूसु एटी फिलीपींस आर्किपेलागो जदि कथा हम कहबी फिलीपींस आर्किपेलागो बेसिकली करा जाए नॉर्दर्न फिलीपींस एंड southern Philippines. Northern Philippines and southern Philippines. Dita Philippines अच्छे northern and southern Philippines basically. Northern Philippines जदि मैं देखिए that is your known as your Luzon and southern is your Mindanao. Next देखिए which of the following is the largest archipelago in the world? Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Maldives. It is your C, Indonesia. Next, what is the following? Which of the following world's largest peninsula? India, South Africa, Arabia, and here both A and B. Hello? India, South Africa, Arabia, and South Africa. The answer is your Arabia. Arabia Peninsula. Let's see. One of the largest archipelago in the world is the Indonesian archipelago. Largest archipelago in the world is the Indonesian archipelago, which is located within the Malay archipelago between the Indian and Pacific Oceans. Between the Indian and Pacific Ocean. Malay archipelago. According to the Indonesian Ministry, the Maritime Affairs, this archipelago is made of 17,504 islands, or we can say roughly it is 18,000 islands. It is 18,000 islands. So Walter, it is one of the biggest, one of the largest archipelago in the world. The National Institute of Aeronautics and Space, however, reports that the number of islands in this archipelago is actually 18,306. This is one of the largest archipelago, huge largest archipelago that consists of this one. Indonesia, it is completely the Pacific Oceans, mid of the Pacific Oceans. So, political division, it is your South China Sea. It is your South China Sea, basically. South China Sea, majorly. South China Sea. So South China Sea or Pacific Oceans को नहीं की ही तो Indonesia. This is your Indonesia particularly. Next देखिए Arabian Peninsula में देखिए कि which of the following world's largest peninsula, that is Arabia. Why I said it? Arabian Peninsula is the Earth's largest, spanning near about, it consists of 12 lakh 50,000 12 lakh 50,000 your square miles. माने जदि मु करिवि into 1.6, suppose let's say 1.6, 1 mile is equal to 1.6 755 2. So here it is 0 1 9 into 10 to the power 4, that is square kilometer. Right? So कितना है 1940, that is near about, we can say near about 191 lakh 4 5 6 7, and near about 19.1 million square kilometer. You can say 19.1 million square kilometer, or we can say 191 lakh square kilometer. Such a huge area it is encompassing, and particularly Arabian Peninsula is the largest peninsula. It connects the total mainland of Asia. It is surrounded by the Persian Gulf. It is surrounded by the Persian Gulf, the Red Sea, the Arabian Sea on the three sides. If I draw the map here, African part, this is your Red Sea, Arabian Peninsula, and this is your Arabian Peninsula. Your consists of your Syria, Saudi Arabia, Saudi Arabia, your particularly Oman, Bahrain, UAE, and there are other small countries also there. Also, that is your Yemen. So these are the that particularly engulfed with this particular part. So Arabian, they consist of your Arabians particularly. Next, जदि हम देखिए कि Arabian Peninsula देखिए, it is basically it is cut across from the across from the African Peninsula. We can say it is cut across from the African Peninsula, and by Red Sea, Red Sea in the western side. We can say Red Sea in the western part, where your Persian Gulf in the eastern part. Persian Gulf in the eastern part. So this is the total Arab Peninsula is Arab Peninsula Arab Peninsula is a huge peninsula. These are the things that I can east eastern part है तुम्हारा Persian Gulf है और western part है तुम्हारा है Persian Gulf और western part है that is your Red Sea. ठीक है so एटी जब देखिए आज देखिए पुणी आज मुझे कहबी कि इफ यू सी द पर्टिकुलर इफ यू सी द पर्टिकुलर ये तो जमती आम ये जानले कि जब सम क्वेश्चन राइस बाउल ऑफ इंडिया देखले कृष्णा गोदावरी डेल्टा रीजन कृष्णा गोदावरी डेल्टा रीजन कहीं इट इज वेरी फर्टाइल आउ वास्टली दे आर सपोर्टिंग टू ए लार्जर पार्ट को समाने करछन्ते पर्टिकुलर ईस्ट गोदावरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट जंदे में जानले कि इट इज द मोस्ट फर्टाइल डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन आंध्र प्रदेश हला हला आउ जदी ईस्टर्न इंडिया रो मैक्सिमम पार्ट को ये भी सपोर्ट करछे ठीक अछि एटी जदी देखिबा सेम क्वेश्चन जदी हम देखिबी कि एई प्रोजेक्ट रे जंदी हमर देखुछन्ते हाइड्रोइलेक्ट्रिक प्रोजेक्ट तले या हला ससन बेड़ा भाल तो एगुडा भी हमको बहुत सपोर्ट हेल्प करिवो कि को प्रोजेक्ट को जगह रे इंडिया रो India has been देखिए कि नेबरिंग कंट्री जन देखले अल्बेके बागमती कमला है these are also be important अल्बेके बागमती कमला because India government और नेपाल रो भी बहुत सारा joint ventures they are doing that one they are producing the cheap hydroelectric projects सही power generate है कि the Himalayan states रे जो माने अच्छे जो those states है they are also getting benefited from this one Himalayan states भी समाने benefit पाउचंदे जोतरे these three Lalbakia, Bagmati and Kamla rivers समाने electricity generate होचे people are getting employment directly or indirectly people are getting an employment so is भितर कौन होगा it is not only the country रोच also the your nearby countries they are also getting benefited from this one nearby countries they are also getting benefited from this one इतने bilateral relations भी develop होची regional balance माने जदि देखिबे regional regions particularly जदि हम इंडिया और नेपाल देखिबा हमर relationship रा develop होची and it would be helpful ठीक अछि इबडा जगह रे जदि भी अराबिली बिंदियर सिस्टम धरवाड कहली तो ई सब जिंस रे हमें की गोटे एनालिसिस अप्रोच रखले इट विल बी हेल्पफुल जंदि हम पढु छन त अराबिली हला सबटू ओल्ड सिस्टम हैला देन हैला आर्केन रे जीवो देन बिंध्यान धरावाड कडप्पा तो ई सिस्टम गुडा हमको रहले विल बी मच मोर टू डिस्कस हैला जंदि मु सजेस्ट करबी सपोज अराबिली सिस्टम पढु छ सेमति बिंध्या कडप्पा और धरावाड एमानकर को टाइम रे कोन हितरा तो एगुडा जानिले कोन रहबो अप्रोच रे भी बहुत सारा क्लैरिटी रहबो हैला अप्रोच रे क्लैरिटी रहले कोन रहबो तमनकर अप्रोच रे क्लैरिटी रहले भी योर माने इफ यू स्टडी दिस वन बाकी तीनटा को भी तुम एनालिसिस करो इट विल बी कोन हमर क्वेश्चन हे परिबो इट विल बी मच इजियर हैला मच इजियर टू डिस्कस और जानिया पे की हेल्पफुल ना पे है ठीक अच्छे सो बिफोर you will meet again in the next week thank you all of you thank you very much